Join me today as I try Domino's pizza in New Zealand. They have tons of unique pizza flavors that are only found in New Zealand. I'm gonna try multiple different things off the menu, so let's see how it is. I just placed my order for pickup on my phone. I'm about to head out. It's gonna be ready in about 10 minutes from now. In total, it came out to $38.50. There's my entire order. I'll give you a breakdown of the price of everything at the end of the video. I'm excited to try all this. They have some pretty different pizzas. So I'm gonna head to Domino's now so I can go pick up my order. I'm gonna bring you with me. Hopefully this tastes good. And just like that, I'm at Domino's. I gotta go inside and pick up my order. Should already be ready now. And it says my order's ready now. For Brock? Yeah. Thank you. Got my hands full here. I think I ordered more than I thought I did. Guess I'll have leftovers. I'm not going to be able to carry all this up to my room while recording, so I'll catch back up with you guys once I'm up there. Let's see what's in these. This one looks like the spicy peppy paneer. Oops, wrong way. Gotta open the box this way. This one looks like the barbecue smokehouse meat lovers. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, this must be the stuffed cheesy pepperoni bread. Got two more open here. The lamb melt? I don't know, that might be the best one. I'll see when I taste them all though. And then the last one. Oh, this one must be the lamb meat lovers. Oops, that's the lamb meat lovers. This is the smokehouse barbecue. I'm gonna go ahead and start trying all this, but I couldn't do it without a drink. So I got a vanilla Coke as well. Vanilla Coke's always a good one. So first off, I'm going to try that lamb melt. It smells like garlic oh, it's just got garlic spread all over it. That makes sense. So yeah, I don't know if you could tell on top there. It's just garlic spread all on top of it. I'm gonna bite into this. That's really good. It's quite tangy. I wasn't expecting it. It's also really crunchy. I had higher hopes for this. The flavors don't really go together well. Everything in it tastes the same. You can't tell a difference in the taste between any of the ingredients. Something they put on there makes them all taste the same. Out of a scale of 1 being the worst, 10 being the best, is how I'm going to rate everything in this video. I give this one right here a 4 out of 10. Next item. The cheesy garlic pepperoni bread. I think that's what this is. Forget the end piece. I don't want to try the end piece. I want one of the middle pieces that has everything in it. Oh, the cheese on it is super stringy. Look at that pull. Oh, that's some good cheese. If it pulls like that, very fragrant. It's definitely got a lot of garlic in it. This right here is super good. This one, alright, after that first one I was a little worried after having that melt. The flavors on this one are so good. The cheese, the garlic, and the pepperoni inside of it all blend really well. It's quite greasy, but that's normally how pizza is. I give this one a 7.8 out of 10. It's good, especially for the price. This one was pretty cheap. Next up, we got the lamb pizza, I think this one is. Let me double check. Yep, lamb meat lovers pizza. Barbecue, I think. Making a mess on myself, getting it all over. This is bound to happen anyways. There is that slice. The barbecue sauce smells super sweet, not a smoky barbecue sauce. Most of the New Zealand barbecue sauce I've had, or all of the New Zealand barbecue sauce I've had so far, isn't smoky at all like it is in the US sometimes. This is loaded with ingredients though. See how these ingredients pair together. All the meat on it is really good. The lamb sadly doesn't have a distinct taste on this either. They put so much barbecue sauce, it really just outweighs the flavor of anything else. I give this one a 4 out of 10 as well, same with the other lamb one. Now I'm going to try something off of their Indian section of the menu. The spicy peppy paneer. Yes, it's called peppy, not pepper. I don't know if that's just a play on words or if that's actually what this combo is called. I don't know who named it that. Smells spicy, but probably not really spicy. Got some jalapenos on it. I love spicy stuff, so let's give this one a taste. The paneer cheese on it has a really good texture and a nice crisp outside from the way it's cooked in their oven. It's not really spicy at all. If you think jalapenos are spicy, then this is spicy. I also like how on all their pizzas with the different flavors and stuff, they all have different sauces on them instead of typical marinara. I'm not sure what type of sauce this is on this one. It might have some type of pepper in it too, but it's not that spicy. Although I do like it, it does have a good spice flavor, just not much of it. I give the spicy peppy paneer one a 6 out of 10. Now I've got the last one to try, which I got a bigger size because on Tuesdays they do 50% off a large. So I decided to get one large. It's only 50 cents more than buying the mini version. The Smokehouse Barbecue one with pork belly on it. Now I know this one's a good one. Look at this. Just a perfect blend, veggies, meat, and barbecue sauce. And it's got a creme fraiche base instead of a barbecue sauce base. Out of everything I've tried, this is the last one, and it's the best one. I'm glad I saved this for last. I thought the lamb may have been better, but it's a new flavor. Maybe they haven't had enough time to develop it yet. This one's so good though. The creme fraiche with the crispiness of the veggies and the pork belly on top, and the barbecue sauce drizzle on it, really make a great flavor combo. I gotta give the Smokehouse pork belly one a 9.2 out of 10. This is by far the best thing I've had on their menu. They have some other good kinds. I already tried so many I couldn't order more. Didn't want to order more. But they have like garlic prawn Mr. Wedge, which has potato wedges on it as a topping. Like a chicken parmesan one, apricot chicken, butter chicken, tikka chicken. They have garlic naan, which isn't that good, but it's just unique. They have just tons of unique flavors. Overall, Domino's in New Zealand is great. I'd say it's better than the United States. I haven't ever tried it in any other countries besides the United States, so I don't have anything else to go off of for that. In total, I paid $38.50 for the price. It's worth it. The most expensive was this large one, of course, but I got it 50% off, so it's $8.50. The mini lamb one was $8. The mini spicy peppy paneer was $7. The lamb melt was $10. And the pepperoni cheesy bread, garlic bread stick stuff was only $5. I think it was definitely the smallest thing, but for the taste and price, that's the best deal they have. Domino's New Zealand definitely has some great stuff. Hit or miss on their menu, but the stuff that's good is way better than in the US. The stuff that's not good is still better than the stuff at US. Domino's in the US was pretty bad last few times I've had it. So Gotta give New Zealand Domino's that at least. At least all these ingredients are actually fresh and real food. I don't know, Domino's in the US, anything in the US, I don't always trust if it's real food. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you aren't already. Leave a comment telling me what your favorite thing that I tried was. I'll try my best to respond to everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Until the next one, have a good one.